little fish will keep your photos or notes tight to avoid their scattering around. Do you count the days until your holiday? Then you definitely need a calendar. Mark off a wooden board. Cut out the calendar pages of the measured size. We'll begin with a thin strip for a month, then 2 more of the same ones for the date. Keep in mind a 1/4-inch interval between the pages and beyond the edges. Turn the board to mark the page length. Make the color strips of the sizes you've measured out. Punch a hole in each page. Prepare the needed number of the elements. Mark the hook points. Make a small hole with the nail. Screw in the hook. Hot glue the board to the wooden stand. Write down the date and the month. The calendar is ready. You can use it. It's a universal calendar. You don't have to change it. Just turn over the pages, that's all. Do you like sailing ships? Make your own mini ship to keep it at home. Wrap twine around a cork. Add another cork. Wrap it around. Then join it to the first one. Tie a knot. We've made a little raft. Take thick yellow paper to make a triangular sail. The height is about 3 inches. Use a toothpick as a mast. Fasten between the corks. The cute tiny ship is ready to sail. Prepare a big glass container to make the sea. Paint the pebbles blue. To avoid smudging the paint, apply it to the stone lying on the table. When dry, turn it over and paint the underside. Place the pebbles in the container. Decorate it with the twine. Pour in some water. Now you can set the ship a sail and have your own mini vessel decorating your room. The paper boat garland will bring the summer feeling to your room. Besides, it's great fun to make, especially if you are a paper craft lover. It consists of traditional easy-to-make paper ships. Take thick color paper and fold it in half. Find the center. Fold it in half again, creasing the top. Unfold. Turn the top corner down and to the center. Keep in mind the middle of the top. Repeat for the opposite top corner. Fold the bottom upwards. Fold the corners down. Turn it over and repeat. Open it and fold the middle of the sides to shape a square. Fold the bottom corner upwards. Don't reach the top. Turn it over and repeat. Open again and fold the middle of the sides. Fold the bottom up. Repeat for the back. Open the side flaps to shape a boat. We've prepared a number of ships of blue, white, and different shades of yellow paper. We'll fasten them with the twine. We can hardly thread it. Use the life hack we've tested. Apply some hot glue to the frayed end. Press down with your finger. Try to thread it now. Perfect! Pass it through the boat. Fasten with a knot. Tie a knot on top to fasten the upper ship. Continue adding the details. Wow! Cool! The light paper garland will sway slowly as you pass by, like the sailing ships drifting in the gentle breeze. Have you got beautiful shells? Then make a nautical wall clock. We'll need a clock base with a hole in the center. Choose the shape that fits your taste. Cover it with the blue background. Add white strokes to imitate the waves. Prepare the shell embellishments. Cover them with the acrylic paints. We've split the shells into 3 parts to create the ombre effect, the blending from white, moving light yellow shade to bright sunny yellow. Place the shells on the hearts. Hot glue. Add the clockwork and hands. Put it in the central hole. Fix it up. Put on the hands. Set the time and hang the clock on the wall. We've shown a quick and easy way to change your interior style. Add bright colors to feel the summer. Write in your comments what you liked most. Subscribe. Create a style of your own. Hit the like button and ring the bell. Be the first to watch the new videos.